Today we will discuss about do birds eat other birds. So let's get started. When we think of birds, images of serene creatures singing in the trees often come to mind. However, the avian world is more complex than it might seem at first glance. One intriguing question is whether birds eat other birds. Let's explore this fascinating aspect of bird behavior and understand what drives it. Understanding avian predation. Avian predation refers to birds eat other birds. This behavior might sound surprising, but it is a natural part of the ecosystem. Predatory birds, or raptors, are the most well-known avian predators. These include eagles, hawks, and owls, which are equipped with keen eyesight, powerful talons, and sharp beaks designed for hunting. Reasons for bird-on-bird predation. Survival needs. Nutritional requirements. Birds of prey have high metabolic rates and require a diet rich in proteins and fats. Hunting smaller birds eat other birds provides the necessary nutrients. Territory defense. Sometimes, larger birds may attack and consume smaller birds to protect their territory or reduce competition for resources. Opportunistic feeding. Scavenging. Some birds might not actively hunt, but will birds eat other birds if they come across a carcass. For example, crows and ravens are known to scavenge. Nest raiding. Certain species, like magpies and jays, are notorious for raiding nests and eating eggs or fledglings. Examples of predatory birds. Raptors. Hawks and eagles. These birds eat other birds are apex predators in their ecosystems. They have incredible vision and powerful talons to catch and kill prey. The red-tailed hawk, common in the United States, often preys on smaller birds. Owls. Owls are nocturnal hunters, using their silent flight and acute hearing to catch prey in the dark. The great horned owl is known to prey on various birds, including smaller owls. Corvids. Crows and ravens. These highly intelligent birds are opportunistic feeders. While they primarily eat insects, fruits, and carrion, they will also prey on smaller birds and raid nests. Gulls. Seagulls. Gulls are often seen as coastal scavengers, but they can also exhibit predatory behavior. They have been observed attacking and eating smaller seabirds. Impact on bird populations. While predation is a natural occurrence, it can impact local bird populations, especially if the predator population is high. However, it's essential to understand that these interactions are part of the natural balance in ecosystems. Predatory birds help control the populations of smaller. Birds eat other birds, which in turn affects the populations of insects and other prey species. Ethical considerations and bird watching. For bird enthusiasts and conservationists, witnessing predation can be a mixed experience. It's a stark reminder of nature's raw and unfiltered processes. When observing such events, it's crucial to respect the natural behaviors of wildlife and avoid interfering. Encouraging safe bird watching. Use binoculars. Maintain a safe distance to avoid disturbing birds. High-quality binoculars can provide a close-up view without intrusion. Respect nesting areas. Avoid approaching nests, as this can stress the birds eat other birds and potentially expose them to predators. Subscribe to our channel Pets Caring Hub for more information and share with your friends who love animals. Be sure to express your opinion in the comments. Hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Thank you.